Kubernetes containers are transforming how organizations deploy and use applications on Amazon Web Services. It gives you a framework to run distributed systems resiliently, as well as the building blocks for creating developer platforms. IT teams also value Kubernetes for its flexibility and standout capabilities, including service discovery and load balancing, storage orchestration, automated rollouts and rollbacks, self-healing capabilities, and sensitive information management. While Kubernetes does have a few security features, its core mission isn't to serve as a security platform on AWS. And in the public cloud, that really matters, because container deployments need extra visibility and in-depth security. And the onus is on you to find answers. Scanning for common vulnerabilities or relying heavily on traditional security tools most likely isn't enough to protect you against a storm of threats, from zero-day and insider attacks to embedded malware, attacks against production workloads, and crypto mining ransomware. That's where NeuVector by SUSE comes in, leading the way in Kubernetes security and delivering the only zero-trust container security platform. It's the industry's first full lifecycle container security and compliance solution that's production-ready and used globally by leading enterprises. Now, teams using AWS can advance their container strategies with greater speed and confidence. You don't need to understand complex network or security settings. NeuVector by SUSE handles so much for you, simplifying and automating security for Kubernetes native applications, from pipeline to production. In fact, you're covered pretty much everywhere you look. Supply chain security, zero trust controls, runtime protection, complete visibility, and host security. And there's even more good news for organizations that use AWS. NeuVector by SUSE can provide complete container security in the cloud. It instantly discovers all containers, learns application behavior, and automatically creates a security policy to protect them. As your applications scale or update, NeuVector by SUSE automatically detects container and network changes, working with both Amazon ECS and EKS. Using NeuVector by SUSE to integrate with mesh deployments gives you unique network visibility and protection, even for encrypted connections. What's more, the NeuVector by SUSE platform also runs on BottleRocket, the Linux-based open-source operating system purpose-built by AWS for a best-in-class experience. If you're serious about Kubernetes and AWS, then it's time to explore NeuVector by SUSE today.